Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. It's a good time to be joining me here on my channel. Hi, my name is Joe, and welcome to a vlog. I just woke up not too long ago, so it's time to make breakfast. We're gonna do some potatoes, some sausage, and some eggs. We'll call it a day. About to be the new year, so we're gonna stay away from the pancakes for now because I need to lose some weight, okay? But we're still gonna eat. I don't care what anybody says. This is my favorite non-stick spray. Great value. She comes through every time. All right. Oh, you can't see me, but I'm putting this in the pan. Let me bring you over. Or can I just turn?
Love to have. That's how 95% of our clients stay with us.
It's supposed to rain all day, and I hope that it doesn't. I want to go see if there's like wrapping paper on sale. I need to get groceries, yada yada yada. I don't like to leave the house when it rains. I'm watching some Christmas movie on Samsung TV, despite Christmas being like 2 days ago. I didn't feel like turning on the Xbox to get to like Netflix or something. Can you see the steam? No, you can't. I'm good. Alright, I'll be back. That was so good. I'm watching, like I said, a Christmas movie on like Samsung TV, and it has commercials. I'm so not used to commercials anymore, and it was pissing me off. Like, Hulu with ads is the worst thing. I could never, ever get on that level. Them ads are so long and so frequent. Hell no. I guess I gotta wash dishes now. Boo. Let's go. I need to go to Dollar Tree to get like a dish brush, because that's where I always get them. Other places they're like $5, and my Dollar Tree was empty. It might be closing because they're like doing construction. They knocked down a bunch of other stuff, but the Dollar Tree's still staying, still strong. Let's see. I'm gonna put this frozen chicken in here for its defrost. I suppose for dinner we'll do like a chicken shrimp rice situation. Look, a little Christmas plate. So cute. Oh my god, am I drunk? Yeah. When do you guys take your tree down? I was thinking about taking that thing down like the 26th, but I was like, no, that's too soon. But maybe I'll do it like the 30th because I'm going back to work the 2nd, so I don't want to wait till the 1st, if that makes sense. I don't know. Oh, my other Christmassy stuff. tree cutting board and a little dish. It's upside down. How cute. I didn't get to have like a Christmas party this year. Maybe next year. Because I love a good theme. Oh no, I probably need to reorganize my pantry down. Well, this isn't a pantry. My cabinets. That was me shoving a tree plate under a, what are those things called? A deviled egg tray. Life is fun. I don't remember where I had these, so I don't know where to put them back. Okay, dishes are done. Counters wiped down. The rain has slowed down, so we're gonna change. We're gonna leave the house. Scary, I know. Excuse the lighting, but this is what I'm wearing. Coach hat. What is this from? Misguided, Boohoo, I don't know. Some Walmart leggings and my little leather Uggs that are adorable. I don't actually want to go out in the rain, but if I want some clearance wrapping paper, I gotta go. And I need to get some groceries. The weather sucks, but it's a perfect day to test out my new jacket. I asked for it for tons, like this little Nike jacket. Oh no! You know, little hood action. Hopefully it keeps me dry, but not too warm. Oh, let me zip it. Alright, hopefully we're good to go. Got my little stem. This has become like my everyday bag since it's essentially white. I can just wear it with everything. Let's go. So I hit a really big pothole and I'm pretty sure it knocked my knob off because it was there before. Don't know where it went. Crazy. But hopefully my tires are still intact. Okay, we are in Walmart now, and they've got some clearance sweaters. $3 isn't much of a sale, but okay, Walmart. These are kind of cute. This gray color is nice, but the cream was even cuter. This jacket, nice. Under $20. I think it was $13. Like, could be a good rain jacket. That's a nice coat. These little tanks are cute. They're like that slinky material, kind of like Zara bodysuits. Okay, go off with the fur collar. That's so cute. Then they've got other bodysuits, also very Zara-like, short sleeve and the little tank version. Is the trenches. This dressing room doesn't even lock. The one beside it, there's like a big gaping hole. All right, so I'm gonna try on these jackets first. This is so stinking cute, and you can like cinch the waist. Go off, Walmart. Pockets. Ah. Hood. We like. Here's the next coat. It's pretty like hefty. I feel like it would keep you warm for real. So, hood. Here's the hood. She's cute. Pockets. I don't have on the right bra for this, but not bad. These are so soft. Okay, Prada dupe. Not bad. I totally thought they were darker from the picture. I fear I am too late. Alright, we got a little something. That's really cute, but it's broken. These are cute. Alright, what else we got? Oh. Adorable. This is perfect for us. I wonder how much this is. I don't know, this is kind of cool. Black and white Christmas ornaments. They're cute. These are super fun. We get basic now. Okay, back from the store. Don't know what happened because like ambulance and fire trucks and all kinds of stuff pulled up. But anywho, got this gift wrap. It's so cute. This was $5, so there's like 4 rolls in here, some bows. I got this one and this one. So we will be set for next year. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the closet. This dip mix. I think it was like $3, maybe $5. But there's Southwest vegetable, roasted garlic, sizzling sriracha, chili con queso, lots of stuff. Let me find the receipt. It was $4.98, so $5. I got these cute little cookie skillets for $2.50. Hopefully that's fun. Hopefully the cookie is good. This was $7.50. I was hoping it was half off that, but still not bad because it's a razor and 3 refills and some shave gel. So come in handy. There's another cookie kit in here. Non-fun stuff. We've got, what are these called? Oh my goodness. Clorox wipes, some Snuggles, some paper plates, some Tide Pods, trash bags. Not talking to you, girly.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay. Gonna try this out because there are like streaks in the toilet that like will not come clean. So actually, let me just go put that in the toilet now. So immediate feedback because it says apply it to the stained surface and flush immediately. It helped, but it didn't get rid of anything. I think we might need another bottle. I don't know. 5 out of 10. I could see it working well on a fresher stain, but that stain has been there for a while, so I'll give it some benefit of the doubt. Random groceries. We've got heavy cream. I'm trying Great Value Hot Pockets. I don't know. Jimmy Dean little turkey sausage breakfast bowl. We've got cheese. We've got diced potatoes and sour cream. And you might think, man, you really mix up your name brands and your Great Value. And I do. Not just. This year I started using Daisy because I got this delivered to me by accident. I was like, oh, whatever, I'm just going to use it. And the shelf life on this is much longer. I like the little squeezy thing. So it's worth paying a little bit extra for this, in my opinion. Hubby likes Red Baron French bread pizzas. We got that. Never had this before, but some General Tso's chicken. I was really into the frozen food today because the fresh beef, not fresh. The like chicken breast looked gross. So I was there and figured I needed to get something. So I went the frozen route. I know, I'm a bad way. Paper plates. And now the sweets. Apparently we're not, starting New Year, new me with this grocery trip. We've got Fruit by the Foot, which I've really been on a kick for. Double stuffed Oreos. Can't do the reg. Decided to try these Snickerdoodle cookies. And we've got some muffins for hubby, for Breggy, because he can't, like, get breakfast at work this week. I believe they're closed. I got this little, like, wipe holder last year, and the aesthetic was immediately ruined because of the stupid sticker that would not come off clean. So if you have tips for getting that off, let me know. The last thing of wipes I had in here, juicy. There's still like Cloroxy liquid in it. Can you hear this? Craziness. So hopefully those are extra potent with their cleaning power. Alright, can we pull this? Ooh, I'm making a mockery of the wipes. Alright, good enough. What else? Oh no, that just freaking fell. Oh. Oh, I got the jacket. She was cute and like $13. So I'll let your girl. What else do we have? Oh, let's put this down. Holy shit, did it break? No. Okay, so I got the Santa and Milk for Santa set. I normally don't buy white Santas, but this was $3. And really, I like the Milk for Santa thingy bobber container. I don't know what you want to call this. Dishwasher and microwave safe. May become hot in the microwave. Okay. So cute. I got this Aussie set for $6. I hope that's a good deal. In my mind, I think it is. Then I'm like, I don't ever buy this size, so I don't know how much this costs. I should check. But yeah, it came with shampoo, conditioner, and mousse. I've never used the mousse, but I have used the shampoo and conditioner. I do really like the conditioner. The shampoo is but let's see how that works. Let me look these up and see the price. Okay, these are like $4 and this is like $5, so it's a good deal. I don't know if that was just the regular set price or if that was 50% off the set price. But either way, not too shabby. I am hungry, so hungry. I think I'll just have a ham slider. Starved. I got these wax melts, velvet pomegranate and winterberry woods. They were like $1, so shout out to Walmart. Clean all of this up. I should not be cleaning this up. I should just be eating. What's wrong with me? I forgot. I also got these cake pops. I was grabbing all the sweets for no reason. Let's try these first. I just started playing First Wives Club. Never watched it. We'll see what it's like. Alright. I don't think I've ever had a cake pop. It's pretty good. It's kind of dense. Like, even I wouldn't need a lot of these. One's good. But, tasty. Bruh. I don't know who these people are. But the 3 pumps he just gave her, oh, babe, that was great. Oh, that boy lady. Oh my gosh. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. Wow. I didn't end up filming me cooking dinner. Whoopsies, but we'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to have yourself a great day.